Good morning. It's November 14th, 2012. Our price came down to a short-term fib area. It's also got a lot of support for a bounce, including a trend line. So we're in this trade. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we're long again based on price reaching this really popular support area, as well as the deeps on these Fibonacci areas. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm in for yet another long. Just believe that this support level is going to hold. It's gotten me on two small stop losses. I think we are headed up here.
Build.
Okay, this one moved nicely and met my target of 15 ticks. Could well have a reversal here. We had pretty nice action on these guys. Okay, we're waiting for an opportunity to get in here on this reversal up. Got an alert set in case we get down to this fib area. There's a lot of support right in here. Okay, we're going to try to catch a long here. Let's take this order. Go put it up here.
Order filled.
Whoa. What happened? I must have misplaced that, but I'm glad we're in a long. I think we're going to bounce back up. Okay, this trade is making a little progress. And I don't know what to do here to move my stop up. We're told we should fear increased losses and hope for increased income, rather than fear lower income and hope for lower losses. So going with that, we're going to move this stop up to protect our gains today. Okay, we're making some more progress. We're getting real close to our target here, coming up to this fib on the short range. Feel like closing this thing and taking my 13 ticks, 13 pips. We notice that this market, the Forex euros, moves in spurts. It'll hang around a price for a long time and then spurt up about 6 pips. Okay, we're real close to the target now. I don't feel like haggling over a pip or two.
Target filled.
Alright. Okay, we had 4 trades today. 2 tried to I played the edge, and 2 small stop outs, then 2 full targets, almost 1 full target. One I took took out a couple pips early, and had over 17 pips, so I'm happy with that. And here's the trades. As you can see, coming back into after a rise overnight, coming back into an area of a lot of support, a lot of fibs, depending on which time scale you're looking at, and Some people call this playing the edge, others call it trying to catch a falling knife, but in any case, went with a long here, they both got stopped out, finally went with this long after he showed some real respect for this particular support line. And then sure enough, he took off, got my regular 15 pip target. Probably could have managed that a little better, gotten a little more out of it, but I'm happy. Then we came back to this area, and should have probably waited to get down to this deep fib area before getting in, but nonetheless got another good trade. So it was a good day. I gotta confess that on this trade in here I was influenced by a trade room to go for a long, and they were correct. There was a long in order, but I also had drawn these lines before I even got in the trade room, so I knew that this was a good potential area for reversal. And once it went up, well, I waited for another opportunity to get in, and that worked out. So that's enough trade for me today. I'm appreciative of the information that's shared on Big Mike Trading. Got a recommendation to maybe discount the information from these MACD BBs and maybe even get rid of them, so I'm considering that. And couple 3 weeks or so I'll probably be going live with these Forex mini lots. Best of trading to you, and see you tomorrow.